for us, we've really focused down on the spare parts industry. So one of our successes this year is that we got the approval on the to move ahead with the German rail service part.
Nice.
And what we're learning, by focusing in on industrial grade printing, we've been able to find a number of equipment operators in a number of different sectors, whether it be tractors and ag or rail or just industrial equipment. We're finding a lot of opportunities for providing spare parts. And we're hearing a lot from customers about demand that's in the sweet spot for 3D printing, sort of 100 to 1,000 parts per year. And we're seeing that by focusing in on some of these libraries, we can kind of get a little bit of a coalescence of some of that demand, so we can focus our efforts on getting things qualified and establish some of that steady 3D printing production. Looking at how we can kind of join forces a little bit as we're going through the libraries looking for elastomeric parts and identifying places where other technologies can play a role, I think there's a real opportunity for 3D printing to transform how warehousing gets done. And it really provides that opportunity for true just-in-time delivery and digital warehousing that can eliminate a lot of the inefficiencies and wait times associated with spare parts.